If you want the look of a diamond without the expense, this video is for you. Welcome back to my channel. It's Rachel. For today's video, I'm so happy because this company reached out to me again. I will be doing another collaboration, and this brand is called Read Your Heart. They specializes in Moissanite. Moissanite jewelry is the main product of their brand. Moissanite has the same fire and hardness as diamonds. I know diamonds are expensive, but this one, it fits in your budget and affordable. It sparks and shines like diamonds. So Moissanite is a substitute to diamonds. I did a video of them in the past. I got to choose 3 pieces from them that I'm wearing it right now. This one is a bracelet, and I got the ring and also the necklace. I got a package right here that I'm gonna show it to you guys. I also picked 3 pieces, and if you're interested, you can check their website. They also have like bracelets, wedding bands, rings, earrings, and necklaces. I love this brand. This is December, so it means Christmas is coming up. This could be a nice gift for the ladies on your list. It's not only Christmas, but if you're getting engaged, getting married, so just check their website. And I do have a 15% discount code. It's Rachel15, so I'll put everything in the description box below. I'll tell you a little bit about the story of this brand. This is inspired by this lady, Alyssa. She lost her engagement ring during the trip, but even more surprisingly is that towards the end of the trip, Alyssa was attracted to this dazzling diamond ring worn by this elegant and charming lady. During their conversation, the lady told her that this was a gemstone first discovered in a meteorite. So Alyssa decided to create her own brand so that people could enjoy the beauty of a jewelry. So she also named her brand Read Your Heart, and the brand slogan is Read your heart and record your memory. That's a little bit of a story. So anyway, it's already open, but let's dig in. So the first item that I'm gonna show you is a jewelry bag in this in the Ziploc, and also the jewelry certificate and other stuff in the Ziploc. So let's see what else is in here. The GRA certificate, and tells you everything about the jewelry. And also this card right here. And the next one, of course, the jewelry bag. If you want to give this somebody, you can just put the jewelry in here. And I like the color. This one is really nice and pretty jewelry bag. I love jewelry myself, and as you can see, there's some of them over here, and every time I do videos, I wear jewelry because it really looks good on you, especially for us ladies, right? And the next one, like, you have to wipe your jewelry too, you know, clean your jewelry. Also send this cloth right here, and then at the bottom it says Read Your Heart, silver polishing cloth. This manual here. This is exciting. First one that I'm gonna show you is right here. I like how the way they package it, because it's really, you know, secure or won't damage or anything like that, because it's in I think it's a bubble wrap envelope. Look at this jewelry box right here. It says Read Your Heart. Really neat. I like it. Let's open this. Ooh, I like that. I picked this. It's a necklace. They put it in this little Ziploc bag. This one is a Moissanite Honeycomb sterling silver necklace. I picked this one because it's so beautiful and it's not big. It looks big on the picture, and I'm wearing this necklace from them. I'm gonna take this off and put this one. This is sterling silver, and they have 2 colors. The other one is gold, but I picked this silver because I like silver too. I mean, I like gold too, but I rather wear silver jewelry. This is really neat. I like it. It's cute and simple, but elegant. I don't like big necklaces. That's what it looks like. Okay, you can't see it very good. There you go. Oh, I like it. This is so cute. I'm gonna wear this every day. Yes, I love it. Really, I love it. That's that. It's beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. Pieces that I'm going to show you is this. They wrap it with this white paper or cardboard, and yay! Ooh, I like this too. You can't see it. Let's open this. It's in the Ziploc bag. I'm so excited. Everything is exciting to me. And I'm gonna take this earrings because it's an earrings. I really like the design of these earrings. This one is, I don't know if you can see that, Moissanite Fashion Tassel sterling silver earrings. So I'm gonna put this on. Oh, I like it. I like it. This one right here in the hole, like that. Ooh. Oh, I love it. Yay. Oh my gosh. It looks like a snow, and this would be a perfect time to wear this earring, like if you want to go somewhere or going to a party or anywhere, you know, just for every day or wherever you go, you can wear this earring. I'm so happy that I picked this one because I like it. And the third item is, and I'm wearing their ring right now, so I'm gonna take this one off because it's another ring. This one is size 6. This one is the ring also, but I got the half size bigger. The size 6 is a little bit not really too tight, so this one will be probably just about right. They have different sizes of this stone. You can just pick which one you like, and also, you know, the ring sizes, and it's over here in this Ziploc. Oh, this is so cute. I like it. This one has a 0.5 carat ring, and it's silver and rose gold. And look at that one, guys. It's so cute. We will compare the other one I got last time. This one is bigger than this over here, so look at the difference of the two, and I really like the small one, and I mean I like them both. This one is a Moissanite luxury two-tone Pave sterling silver ring in the size 6.5. They have different sizes, so I got to size up. It will fit right. Try this. It's just right. It's not tight. It's just about right. So anyway, that's it for this video. If you're interested and you have any questions, you can just leave a comment down below. And yeah, I love what I picked, and they're just, oh my gosh, I can't wait to wear this to a party. Thank you, Read Your Heart, for sending this jewelry, and thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.